Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today's video is extremely important because we're diving deep into something that has become the fastest way to lose money for beginners in the stock market: options trading. Yes, options can create wealth. Yes, people make massive returns. And yes, options give huge opportunities. But for most beginners, options become a trap, a beautifully packaged trap. In this video, I will explain why beginners lose money in options, the psychological mistakes, the technical mistakes, the hidden traps inside option premiums, and how professionals manage risk. If you ever trade options, this 10-minute video can save you months of pain and thousands of rupees. Let's begin. Mistake 1. Trading weekly options without understanding Greeks. Options are not like equities. Options don't move based only on price. They move based on delta, theta, vega, gamma, volatility, expiry time, and a lot of factors beginners are unaware of. Most beginners see, oh, a bank Nifty option is just 120 rupees. Let me buy 2 lots. But they don't realize that weekly options lose value every minute. Theta decay, the silent killer. If you buy options, especially near expiry, your premium melts. When the market doesn't move, when market moves slowly, when IV drops, even when market moves slightly in your favor. For beginners, Theta acts like an invisible tax that keeps eating their premium. Realistic example. Let's say the Nifty is trading at 26,000 and you have taken a trade at strike price of 26,100. And even when the Nifty moves 20 points in your direction, your premium still falls. Beginners panic. Why is my option premium not going up? Because price is only one of the factors. Understanding Greeks is not optional. It is mandatory. Mistake 2. Entering trades at the wrong time. Most beginners buy options at completely wrong times. They buy when market has already made a big move. IV is extremely high. Premium is inflated. Trend is already extended, or right before reversal zones. This is why beginners buy at the peak premium, and the moment they enter, option premium starts falling. Example: market rallies strongly at opening. Beginners buy calls at peak. But after some time, market cools down and their premium loses. Because momentum of market slowed. IV drops. Theta kicks in. Professionals wait patiently. They buy when breakouts happen with volume. Volatility is favorable. Trend is fresh. Premium is stable, not inflated. Timing matters as much as direction. Mistake 3. Trading options based on predictions. This is perhaps the most common beginner mistake. They enter trades based on Nifty will go up today. Bank Nifty will break. Today will be bullish. I feel the market will fall. Options trading is not about predictions. It is about probabilities and risk management. Even if you predict direction wrong once, your premium can go to half in minutes. Why predictions fail? Markets are dynamic. Global cues shift. Trend changes intraday. Big players manipulate movement. Stop-loss hunting happens. Professionals never say, I know where market will go. They say, I will react based on what market shows. There's a huge difference. Mistake 4. Buying OTM options thinking they are cheap. OTM options look attractive. A 20 rupee option, a 10 rupee option, a 5 rupee option. Beginners think, if it becomes 50 rupees, I will make huge profit. But the reality is, OTM options lose value the fastest. They require strong trend, fast movement, and zero consolidation. Otherwise, your premium will melt. Example: a 10 rupee option becomes 0 rupees very easily, even if market moves slightly, but not fast enough. Professionals rarely buy deep OTM. They buy ATM at the money, slightly ITM in the money, options with higher delta, options with slow theta decay. Deep OTM is equal to deep losses. Mistake 5. Holding options overnight. This is one of the biggest traps. Beginners buy a call or put, it goes into loss. They think, let me hold overnight. Tomorrow it will recover. But overnight, you face theta decay, gap up or gap down movement, unexpected global cues, crude oil data, US market volatility, any news shock. Even if you are right about the direction, theta will reduce your premium. An option that was 150 rupee today can open at 90 rupees next morning, even if market didn't move much. Overnight option holding is like sleeping with a time bomb. Mistake 6. No risk management. Options are powerful, but also dangerous. Most beginners use entire capital on one trade. Trade multiple lots. Increase quantity after a loss. Take revenge trades. Have no stop loss. No risk per trade. No max loss limit per day. They treat options like a shortcut to make big money fast. But professionals treat options like a business. They follow strict rules. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Stop after two stop loss hits. No trading after big loss. Use stop loss orders. Position sizing based on volatility. Never use full margin. This is why pros survive longer. Mistake 7. Overconfidence after one winning trade. This is a psychological trap. A beginner makes one great trade, maybe doubles his money, and suddenly feels unstoppable. Overconfidence leads to bigger quantities, ignoring stop loss, taking random trades, taking unnecessary risks. The market punishes overconfidence the hardest. Professionals remain humble even after winning streaks. Mistake 8. Not understanding IV crush. One of the biggest reasons beginners lose money is IV crush. IV, which is implied volatility, controls option premium. When IV is high before events like RBI policy, elections, budget, results, major speeches, option premiums are inflated. Beginners buy these expensive options. But once the event is over, IV crashes and premium collapses, even if market moves in their direction. This feels like, why did I lose money even though Nifty went up? Because premium fell faster due to IV crush. So friends, these are the real reasons why most beginners lose money in options trading. No understanding of Greeks, wrong entry timing, prediction-based trades, buying cheap OTM options, holding overnight, no risk management, overconfidence, IV crush. Options trading is a powerful tool, but only if you respect risk. If you want, I can create safe option strategies, intraday option scalping methods, expiry day strategies, options hedging guide, when to buy and when to sell options. Just comment option strategy video and I will work on it. If you found this useful, do hit the like button and subscribe to Wealth Mama. Also share with your friends who are beginners in stock market or who are losing money in options trading. And I'll see you in the next video.